Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Ina and welcome back to our last reaction video episode for the series Chasing in the Wild. And last episode na tayo. And medyo nakakasad kasi as much as I want to have a season 2, parang maiiba na yung nasa book if magkakaroon ng season 2. Siguro, i-manifest na lang natin yung next gen na universe series. Like, alam ko it's ongoing and hindi ko pa rin siya sinisimulang basahin kasi hindi pa siya tapos, so ayokong mabitin. And ayun na nga, nasa last episode na tayo. Lahat ng hardships at happy moments ni Sevi at ni Elise ay matatapos na. And if hindi nyo pa sila napapanood ng buo, mag-watch na kayo sa Vivo One and stream legally. Legally guys ha, please. Huwag kayong nagsusubscribe dun sa mga ano-ano. But anyways, mag-start na tayo kasi wala na akong masabi. Yan, let's start in 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Actually, medyo nakalimutan ko na yung mga episodes dito eh.
Tomorrow, mapapatalsik din na yung mga halimaw dun sa kumpanya niyo.
Kinakabahan ako.
Huwag kang kabahan. Sigurado ako, boboto yung board kung anong tama.
True.
Right. Alam ko yung ngiting yan.
Oh my God!
Meron akong magawa para pabawasan yung kaba mo.
Grabe! Uy! Ah! Ano ba ito?
Akala mo ba? Papahinga na.
Paano nila dinadab to? Nakakalo.
Saglit lang tayo ngayon.
Oh, quickie! May chop talaga, oh my God. Ano ba to? First gap pa lang. My God! Ang init! Nakakaloka naman. Alam niyo yung hindi pa rin ako sanay sa mga ganito nila. Hindi pa rin ako sanay. Like, ba't may dila? Oh, nakakaloka. My God! Higop kong higot ka ba?
Today, one of the Philippines' top conglomerates, the Ledesma Group of Companies, has voted to remove Anthony Guerrero as chairman of the board. The decision comes after an investigation has revealed that he and his son, Austin Guerrero, were found to have been involved in the recent collapse of a villa and the ongoing construction.
Alam niyo yun, I love how they squeeze in yung mga episodes nang hindi nababago or hindi nalalaman at parang tinanggal talaga siya. Ni-squeeze in nila yung mga nangyari dito sa office. Oh.
Ellie,
May surprise ako.
may bisita ka. Ellie,
Kuya!
I heard about the meeting. Congrats on
You, is that what brought you here?
I just want to see how the both of you are doing.
Sit.
I heard you went to see Alfred. Are you okay?
Yeah, I did. Sinamahan ako ni Sebi.
Iba talaga yung magkapatid na to. Ganun ang face card.
Conversation.
Alam niyo yung grabe yung growth nila. Though may awkwardness pa rin sa pagtatagalog ni Gab. ewan ko, may something dun sa the way he acts.
Ano kung gustong sabihin sa inyo?
Parang na-awkwardan siya magsalita. Up until now, ewan ko kung napansin nyo.
Bili lang ako merienda sa baba.
Pero,
Okay.
alam nyo yun, like, basta yun. Pagka-psychic si Tita Erin kasi parang alam niya na si Sevi tsaka si Elise talaga yung magkakatuluyan up until the end, di ba?
My amore, I'm so happy you're getting married to the love of your life.
Wala siyang pinanggit na
This is
pangalan
a very
pero
special
alam
moment
niyang
for you. And I want to be there, even in spirit.
anong dress.
Wow. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Aww. Kuya niya yung mag-walk down sa aisle.
Of course.
Kasi diba wala yung tatay niya.
Anything for you.
Thank you, Kuya.
5 months later. Fast forward. Alam niyo, na-envision ko dito sa Las Vegas, pero since siguro...
They're here.
Kasi diba Las Vegas yun?
Wow. What is
Siguro
this?
babasahin ko ulit yung libro. Ay, asa ba? Meron akong book.
Guys,
Saan na yung
this
book?
for me.
Ayan, meron akong book. Basahin ko siya ulit.
Thank you, Ida. You're welcome. Thank you, girls. I'm so grateful. Oh, let's stop the drama na. Make a toast. To say goodbye to Elise's single life.
Bakit mga hindi nakakakita mga ate ko? Hindi ako pwede mag-champagne. Ako yung juice lang. Alam naman na ang date ko.
Bawal.
Elise, ba't di kuminom? Ayaw mo malasing, no?
No. I just want to be careful.
Huh? Careful? Bakit?
Buntis!
Buntis ka din?
OMG, Ellie! No, I'm not sure yet. I'm just a bit delayed. And I want to be careful.
Teka lang, dumarami na yung mga baby sa barkada natin, ha?
Wait lang. Ay, hindi pa nga sure.
Hindi pa sure. Eh, papunta na rin doon. Meron kaming gift para sa'yo. Halika!
I love how Ellie gained friends through Sevi. Kasi diba, hindi siya ganun magkaroon ng friends. And si Ida lang talaga yung totoo niyang friend.
Ito gift ko para sa'yo.
Oh, what is this?
Hopefully, maging helpful yan para sa inyo.
Alam mo, ito yung mga una, yung wholesome. Wholesome to. Si Viaw eh. Libro. O, diba? Wholesome.
I prepared something too.
Asko? Teka nga. Ingit ako, ha? Bakit walang pakas ng kasal ko? Kailangan ko niya, no? Selling some cash. It's a Villa holiday package in Boracay. You can use it after your wedding para makapag-relax naman kayo ni Sam. Wow.
Bongga. Sam yan eh.
Thank you, Sam. Sabi's gonna love this.
Oh, ito naman. Ito yung sa akin. Gawa ko yan, no?
Wow, what's this?
Drum roll. Ang ganda!
Oh my God! Wow, this is so beautiful there. Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay, wait. Ang wholesome na mga gift.
O, diba?
Lalaban ako. Open mo na. Kaya yan. Excited na ako. Matutuwa si Sevi. Ay, si Sevi matutuwa? Ano?
Grabe, lunang-luna talaga si Heaven. Lingerie.
This is too revealing.
Ikaw naman. Tatanggalin mo rin. Wari ka pa. Ay, nako. Yung saan pa yan? Wait lang. Ito. Panggalan sa sexy time nito.
Taramputek!
Yan ang what's this?
Vibrator! Oo. Diba? Siyempre. Parang mas spicy yung sex life mo. So, i-demonstrate ko. Hindi, saka may link dyan, ha? Ng ano, ng tutorial. Pakita mo kay Sebi. Ito naman.
No, that's okay. Thank you very much.
Ate mo, patay na patay ka naman.
Parang,
Ano bang nagustuhan mo kay Sebi?
OMG, yes. What made you think na this is the guy you'd want to marry in the future?
I don't know how to explain it. Sebi is just Sebi, you know? He's everything to me. He
no.
treats me well. He knows what I want, what I don't want. We treat each other with respect. He makes me laugh all the time. And the list goes on. But
Kahit
most
corny yung
importantly,
jokes.
aside from our love for each other, we plans for a future. And there was never a moment where I felt like we were going nowhere. I feel really secure with it.
Aww. Sana may security. Lahat. Security guard pala si Sevi.
Diyos ko, ay kahit naman dinadog show natin yung gamong mo yun. Mahal na mahal ka talaga nun. Oo, kung alam mo lang kung gaano ka
Bebe boy nila si Sevi eh.
Because of that, cheers tayo! Cheers!
Si Ida talaga. Oh.
Cheers ka na lang din. Cheers tayo! Happy marriage! Cheers!
I'm not.
Eto, may tanong ako. If you guys didn't end up with your current partner, do you think you'd end up with another man?
Ay, no! Kung hindi lang din si Hero, di kami na lang dalawa ni Avi, no? Mas priority ko naman yung anak ko kaysa sa maghanap ng iba, di ba?
Believe me, alam mo nang try din ako maghanap ng iba.
Ay!
Ayaw, wala talaga. Buti na lang dumating si Calix ulit. Kaya,
Yes.
boosh.
Boosh! Bam!
Ikaw, Ellie. Super hirap pantayan ng 5-year relationship namin ni Sebi. But even after all of these years, enough pa rin ako sa kanya. So, I
Ang
don't
hirap
think
kasi
I could
makipagkilala
be with
ulit
another
right
man
after ng isang long-term relationship talaga.
So, Sebi in this
So,
way.
gets. Diba sinabi na yun ni
There's
Sevi?
another lifetime.
Tsaka hindi naman nila kinalimutan yung isa't isa. Sana all.
Swerte ni Sebi sa'yo.
The feeling is mutual.
Hmm.
Tama na yan! Cheers na tayo!
Si Ida.
How was your stag party? Did you have fun?
Oo. Ayun, daming nalasing. Ikaw, kamusta yung bridal shower niyo?
Yeah, we had a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun. By the way, there is something that I've been meaning to tell you. My period has been delayed for 8 days now. And I'm never delayed.
Oh my God, Ellie! Buntis ka?
Hindi, Sevi.
I'm not sure yet. I could be.
Magiging tatay ka na. Nakalimutan niya yung linya. Niyakap na lang niya.
Pwede tayo pumunta sa doctor today para magpa-check up ka.
Hmm.
Kahit ano man resulta na yan, sobrang saya ko at excited na bubuo ng pamilya kasama ka.
Okay. Let's go to the doctor. I'm really happy and excited as well. But I'm also really nervous.
Bakit?
I guess because I don't have my mom here to guide
Oo.
me.
Yan din yung kinakatakot ko once I enter a relationship and start building a family. Kasi wala na yung nanay ko para mag-guide sa akin sa ganyan.
Naniniwala ako
And I'm
magiging
scared.
mabuti kang ina.
Pero as of now, wala pa naman akong jowa. So,
Nakita ko naman kung paano ka mag-aruga
sana
sa
yung
mga
magiging,
taong
what do you call that? Mother-in-law ko ay makasundo ko talaga. In the near future, kung sino man siya. Or kung magkakaroon man.
But before we go to the doctor, can we at least stop by somewhere before we go? I really need to be there.
Oo naman.
Punta sila sa mommy ni Elise.
Hi, Mommy. I came back, and guess what? I'm getting married. Don't worry. You've already met him. And
Alam niyo yung naisip ko dito?
you told me that
Eh, sa
you like to
sementeryo, yung memorial, hindi
that
yung
your this
ganito.
man will take good
Siguro
care.
kasi mas madaling mag-shoot dito. Or mas madaling kumuha ng
Mommy, I'm
permit.
marrying the person that I love the most. I'm marrying Seven.
Hmm.
And I know that you are happy for me.
Alam na niya.
What? What do you mean?
Binibisita ko lagi si tita. Dinadalan ko siya lagi ng puting bulaklak.
Siya yung naglalagay before yung abutan niya.
Those white flowers? Sa'yo galing yung lahat?
Mas gusto ko yung makeup ngayon ni Elise compared nung sa mga nagsistart. Parang mas naging
Gusto ko
fresh siya
malaman ng
ngayon.
mami mo na hindi ko siya nakakalimutan.
She really meant a lot for the both of us. Huh.
Nagpunta rin ako rito before ako mag-propose.
Hmm.
I know that she really loves that you did that.
At alam kong masaya na rin si tita dahil nasa better place na siya.
What if hindi namatay si Tita Erin? What if? Ang daming what if! Bakit kasi kailangan may
Gusto kong malaman
mamatay?
niya na papakasalan ko na po yung anak niya.
Hmm.
Ito na po yun. Malapit na. Nalagpasan na po namin lahat ng problema. At alam ko, isa po kayo sa nunulog sa amin.
Thank you for always remembering my mom said. That means so much to me. I know that she's watching over us and she's very happy to see us happy. Mommy, thank you for thinking of me.
Hmm. Aw.
Seffi, my best captain, my King Panther, my engineer. I love you so much.
Aw. Ay.
I promise to be with you during the worst times and the best of times. I promise to give the best version of myself to you.
Ang ganda ng reception. Sobrang cute. Alam niyo, hinahanap ko yung tatay ni Sevi. Kasi di ba okay naman na si Sevi, tapos yung tatay niya, tapos nagkabalikan na sila nung nanay niya. Pero parang kulang. Madaming kulang dito. Actually, si Hiro wala din. Siguro babalikan ko yung libro kung nandun talaga siya. Or baka kasi may prior commitment, kaya hindi siya kasama. Pero ang importante, kompleto ang Univercada dito. I mean, yung mismong, yung 6 stories. 6 stories. 7? 6. Si Sam, si Yana, si Sevi, si Luna, si Kay. Okay, 6. Ang gwapo niya. Guys. Sevi, Camero, everyone. Grabe, no? Parang kaka-start ko lang mag-reaction video last August. And December na ngayon, ang bilis. Ang bilis na mga pangyayari. Siyempre, Arkin. Danny Steven.
Grabe, di ako makapaniwala ikakasal ka na, pre. Sabi mo, nagsimula lahat ng to dahil lang sa kinailangan ko magbanyo. Hindi po ni Ellie.
Kasalanan ng
Hindi rin ako makapaniwala. Tadhana nga naman. Swerte mo. Napakasalan mo na ang yung love of your life. Enjoy the moment. Salamat, pre.
Ang ganda niya. Yung masakit pala yung part na parang alam nating mamamatay yung character ni Jairus dito. Alam niyo yung galit na galit pa yung mga tao kasi bakit si Jairus? Bakit si Jairus? Pero ngayon mararamdaman mo na parang bakit kailangan siyang patayin sa story niya? Yun. Grabe yung face card ng Friends. Cute.
So handsome.
Nagbulahan pa itong mag-asawa.
Si Ilis yung beauty. Tapos si Baste, the beast. Beauty and Baste.
Daming alam nitong Rihanna.
Ano ba kayo? Huwag kayo tumawa. Natatawa din ako.
Yung mga Today I give myself to you in marriage. Now, I'm about to promise a lot of things, so listen carefully so you don't get lost. I promise to be with you in every win and every loss. I promise to be with you during the worst of times and the best of times. And I promise to give the best version of myself to you and to help you grow so that we can be the best for each other. Promise to trust you, to respect you, and to love you more and more every day. I promise to continue cheering for you, and I will encourage you and inspire you whatever the circumstances are. And I promise to cherish and spend every moment with you, even the good ones and the bad ones. I promise to share my sorrow and my joy with you. I promise that I will love you and I will choose you, even when life gets hard. Even when everything becomes so tiring and nothing feels like it's going right anymore.
True. Dapat naman kasi yung talaga. Hindi dapat basta sumsuko, di ba?
Motivation and inspiration to keep pushing forward. love you, my son. And I will love you for the rest of my life.
Look, oh, pakinggan niyo yung piano version ng Aabutin ng Tadhana. Ang ganda. Gawin niyo to, Viva. Isa pa.
Elise, hindi ko na kailangan ikwento kung paano tayo nagkakilala. Kasi halos lahat sila alam na nila yun. Yun ang mga gamit. We grew together. Then we grew apart. Pero sa mga panahon na yun, na magkahiwalay tayo, yun yung nagpatatag sa atin. Elise, thank you for being with me. Salamat sa pagtitiis mo sa mga corny kong banat. At salamat sa pagtanggap mo sa akin ng buong buo. Ngayong araw, Elise, tinatanggap kita ng buong buo. Tinatanggap kita bilang ikaw. I take you with all your faults, insecurities, attitude, weakness, and strength. I promise that I will choose you and love you on every facet. Sa bawat paggising, sa pagtulog, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko at mamahalin ko. Promise to be
At
with
ikaw
you
pa rin sa huli.
even when you think everything is falling apart. I promise that I will try every day to present my best to you. I promise to share everything with you, kahit pagkain ko pa yan. I promise that I will never make you feel alone, facing all of your battles. Sasaluhin ko lahat ng kasiyahan ko at kasiyahan mo. Ibabahagi natin sa isa't isa. Pinapangako ko na hindi ako aalis sa tabi mo
Sana all.
kahit gaano pa kahirap at nakakapagod.
Magpapahinga pero
Ay,
hindi
mahal kita.
susuko. Lalayo pero hindi mangiiwan.
At lahat kakayanin ko
Ang dami kong hugot sa buhay.
kapag nandiyan ka. I promise to make you proud. Elise, mahal na mahal kita.
Hala, hindi pala siya nagpe-play.
For richer or for poorer, keeping yourself solely unto Him for as long as you both shall live. By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
Husband
now
and
kiss the
wife
bride.
na! Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na! Gal po ah. Ay, ang ganda.
Mahal kita.
Grabe, guys. Pa siya, oh, umisa pa. Ah, ang daming kiss niyan, Sebi, ha? Nakabuo ka na tuloy. Oh, yabang, oh. Oh, I'm married. Oh. I'm so happy for them. And that's the end of my reaction video for the last episode of my favorite book, Chasing in the Wild. And grabe, I must say, this is the best adaptation for me. Naging bias na ako, oo. Pero, kung i-compare ko naman kasi dun sa previous ones, basta, charot lang ang arte-arte ko, pero, ayun nga, ang ganda ng pagkaka-adapt ng Chasing in the Wild, and na pagkaka-direct ni Direct Top. Sobrang, ang daming gagandang feedback na naririnig ko. Though, merong mga konting feedback regarding sa mga acting kineme nila. Guys, nag-i-improve din. Nag-improve sila, diba? Nag-improve. Pero na-justify at nabigyan nila ng buhay yung characters na gusto natin sa book. Grabe ang face card. Sila talaga. Inilabas sila sa libro. Literal. Gusto ko yung pagkaka-consistent. Yung settings, yung scenes. Grabe, guys. Alam niyo yung meron silang mga binago or hindi totally binago. Meron silang tinanggal. But hindi nyo sila mararamdaman kasi nakafocus kayo dun sa, yun talaga yung main event dun sa scene na yun. 'Di ba? And also, yung kay Sir Anthony. Yun yung sinasabi kong isa na supposedly, dapat medyo matagal-tagal pa yun. Madam pa nangyayari. Meron pang scene kay Bianca pero natanggal na. Pero guys, hindi naman totally kawalan. Hindi siya tinanggal. Alam niyo yung na-squeeze in pa rin siya dun sa series. Like, hindi nila tinanggal. Nandun pa rin yung essence nung detalye na yon. And, guys, I'm so proud of Haya and Gab. Like, uy, sobrang, ang dami niyong pinagdaanan. I know the bashing, the awkward moments, but, flying colors, guys. I love you, and I'll always be here to support you guys. So, I'm excited for what's the future for you. And, yun lang. Ayokong umiyak. Pero anyways, guys, ulitin ko, pa-follow po ako sa new page ko, Ina Grishela. And, doon ako nag-update. So, thank you guys for watching. And, again, this is Ina. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!